ISF filing for industrial machinery. Welcome to our video on ISF, Importer Security Filing, filing for industrial machinery and equipment materials. In this video, we will explore the unique considerations and requirements involved in the ISF process for importing industrial machinery and equipment materials. So, let's dive in. Understanding the nature of industrial machinery and equipment. Industrial machinery and equipment materials encompass a wide range of products used in various industries, such as manufacturing, construction, and energy. These items can include heavy machinery, specialized equipment, parts, and raw materials. Understanding the specific characteristics of the machinery and equipment being imported is crucial for successful ISF filing. Detailed description and classification. A detailed description and accurate classification of industrial machinery and equipment is vital for ISF compliance. Importers should provide a comprehensive description of the goods being imported, including specifications, components, and functionality. Proper classification ensures the correct application of customs duties and regulations. Harmonized Tariff Schedule, HTS, codes determining the correct Harmonized Tariff Schedule, HTS, codes for industrial machinery and equipment is essential for the ISF process. Importers need to carefully analyze the characteristics and functions of the machinery to identify the most accurate codes. Accurate HTS codes facilitate the proper assessment of duties and regulations. Compliance with safety and environmental regulations. Industrial machinery and equipment are subject to safety and environmental regulations. Importers must ensure compliance with these regulations to avoid penalties and delays in customs clearance. It is crucial to provide any necessary certifications, such as safety or environmental compliance certificates, as part of the ISF filing. Documentation and information requirements. Importers of industrial machinery and equipment materials need to collect and submit specific documentation and information for ISF filing. This includes invoices, bills of lading, packing lists, commercial documents, and any supporting technical specifications or manuals. All required documentation should be accurate, complete, and readily available for the ISF submission. Consideration of special trade programs. Importers of industrial machinery and equipment should consider any applicable special trade programs. These programs, such as duty exemptions or reduced rates, may be available for certain machinery based on their intended use, origin, or other qualifying criteria. Taking advantage of these programs can result in cost savings and expedited customs procedures. Determining appropriate importer security filing, ISF, entities. Importers should determine the appropriate entities to include in the ISF filing for industrial machinery and equipment. This can include information about the importer, consignee, seller, broker, and other relevant parties involved in the transaction. Providing accurate and up-to-date information about the entities ensures proper identification and compliance. Collaboration with customs brokers. Collaborating with customs brokers who specialize in industrial machinery and equipment can greatly streamline the ISF process. These experts possess in-depth knowledge of the specific requirements and regulations associated with this industry. Importers should leverage the expertise of customs brokers to ensure accurate and compliant ISF filings. Proactive communication with freight forwarders and transporters to facilitate the smooth transport and customs clearance of industrial machinery and equipment. Importers should maintain open communication with freight forwarders and transporters. Providing necessary information about the shipment, such as weight, dimensions, and transport requirements, ensures proper handling and expedited delivery. Compliance with importer security filing, ISF, timelines. Industrial machinery and equipment imports often require careful planning and coordination. Importers should ensure compliance with the timeline for ISF filing, submitting the required information to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, within the prescribed timeframe. Timely submission avoids penalties and delays in customs clearance. Tracking and monitoring shipments. Tracking and monitoring industrial machinery and equipment shipments is essential for importers. Implementing tracking technologies or working closely with freight forwarders allows importers to stay informed about the status and location of the goods. This helps anticipate any potential delays or issues, ensuring a smooth customs clearance process. Ensuring proper packaging and documentation of hazardous materials when importing industrial machinery and equipment. Materials that include hazardous materials. Importers must comply with strict packaging and documentation requirements. Proper labeling, packaging, and documentation of hazardous materials are essential to ensure compliance with regulations and the safe transport of the goods. Verifying compliance with intellectual property rights. Importers of industrial machinery and equipment should verify compliance with intellectual property rights, IPR. This includes ensuring the goods being imported do not infringe on any patents, trademarks, copyrights, or other forms of protected intellectual property. Importers should be proactive in preventing any IPR violations during the ISF process. In conclusion, importing industrial machinery and equipment materials requires careful consideration and compliance with specific requirements. Accurate descriptions, proper classification, compliance with safety and environmental regulations, documentation, collaboration with customs brokers, and adherence to import timelines are crucial for successful ISF filing. By following these guidelines, importers can navigate the ISF process effectively and ensure smooth customs procedures for their industrial machinery and equipment imports. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade. Disclaimer note below.